The Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills District, Abhinav Kumar Singh, today provided an update on the preparations for the District Council constituency election, confirming that 182 polling teams are en route to their designated stations, with deployment expected to be completed by the end of the day. The DC emphasized the implementation of strict security measures, particularly in border areas, to ensure a safe election environment. He also outlined the strategic plans for the vote counting process set for 24th February, reflecting the district's high level of organization and commitment to a fair and efficient electoral process.
Having 182 polling parties which should be leaving. As we talk, there already the material disbursement, the EVM disbursement have started along with the security personnel. And as an appeal to the public, I would request everyone for the maximum voting participation. And we have been in touch with our Assam counterpart and who have assured us with regard to the cooperation from their end. So no voter would be hindered when they would be casting their electoral franchise. And we can assure that yes, one can and one will under West Jaintia Hills would cast their vote freely and fairly. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
For the